Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Snapchat private stories. So from here you will have to open the Snapchat app on this Android device. So from here you will just go on the top left corner of avatar icon of your profile. So just move in your profile. So from here a little bit scroll down, you will see my story public, and below is the private story. So you will just have to tap on stories in the memories and tap to stories, and here is your private story. You will just tap to scene. So this is how you will find your private story. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.